it's Shelly. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, what's up? I'm Shelly. Welcome to my channel. So I first and foremost want to say thank you guys so much for watching my videos, clicking subscribe, and liking them. It's been so exciting seeing that my channel has slowly been growing again, and I've just honestly been having so much fun making weekly content. I love being consistent, and I love seeing you guys around, so thank you so much. And if you guys are new, don't forget to click subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. Turn on post notifications so you don't miss any more of my videos, and now let's get into what this video is about. So today on my channel, we are going to be talking about the 2019 Summer Glow. Basically, in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys a couple of my favorite glow products that are going to really help you look radiant, healthy, youthful, glowy, beautiful. Not only am I going to share what products I use, but I'm also going to share with you exactly how I apply them to get this healthy looking radiance to your entire body, not just your face, but also your skin, because we want to glow from head to toe. You tell them that. Now with all of that said, let's go ahead and get into this video. Alright, so the first product I want to mention is the Becca Cosmetics Liquid Shimmering Skin Perfector. I got mine in the color Opal, so I do also want to say thank you to Becca Cosmetics for gifting this to me. But, so in this day's routine, I actually use this underneath my foundation today as an illuminator. So I first applied my highlighter, then I applied this shimmering liquid skin perfector as an illuminator on top of that, and then I put my foundation on top and then finished it off with my blush, bronzer, concealer, and whatever. And as you guys can see, I have like a little bit of just like a nice radiance to my skin. Just like half a pump of this underneath on my skin really just made me glow. It's just, damn. Later I'm going to show you guys how I use this on the body to make your body shimmer too. I haven't added any highlight to my face, so I'm going to go ahead and finish it off first and show you guys how I do that. And I'm going to be using quite the scandalous product, the Olivia Jade and Sephora Collection Highlight Palette. So for price point and quality, this was actually one of my favorite highlighting palettes. She's got a lot of different ranges of highlights, plus there's this bronzer which actually blends out really well. I was a fan, and it's just very unfortunate that this had to go the way that it went. So I'm just going to use the Sephora 98 highlighting brush to apply this to my cheekbones. I'm just going to dip into that, and I am just going to apply this to my cheekbones. So I really love this highlight palette because the highlights, the way that they blend out, are really kind of liquefied. I don't know if that makes sense, but it really just blends so pretty. Like, it doesn't look chalky, it doesn't look chunky, it doesn't look glittery. It's just so nice. It's so fluid, as you guys can see, and it just looks really good. And I'm going to move into this color here at the bottom, and I'm just going to pop that onto my cupid's bow and the bridge of my nose. I really feel like highlighting your cupid's bow really gives your lips a more luscious look. It really just gives you that extra oomph, and I just think it's so cute. And then just down the bridge of my nose. I don't really need it on the tip of my nose, because the tip of my nose is already up. When you put it right here, it really just lifts the tip, and I already have that, so I'm just gonna apply it to the bridge to kind of slim it down, and then I'm just gonna brush it down. Using that same color and the same brush, I'm just going to dip in and put this right underneath my brow. Then I'm also going to add some highlight to this part above my brow as well. I've seen people do this, and it just looks so pretty. It makes their skin look so glowy. Alright, so that is it for my face highlight. Again, using the Sephora Collection and Olivia Jade highlighting palette. Look for this under a different name. Let me just finish this off really quick with a nice lip gloss. Alright, so let's go ahead and move into how I get this body to match this face. So the first product I'm going to use is sunscreen, of course, since you're going to be outside, you're going to be at day parties, pool parties, at the beach, just walking around in the sun because it's summer, you need a sunscreen. Coppertone just came out with their Glow 50 SPF with shimmer in it. So this is super cool because it basically is their sunscreen, but it's got a really pretty glittery effect. So basically they're just calling my name. As you guys can see, I'm nice and protected. I have like just a little bit of a nice like sheen to me. So I'm gonna go back in using the Becca Liquid Shimmering Skin Perfector. Now the consistency of this product is actually a little bit too thick for my liking on the body. On the face, I love it how it is as is, but on the body, I feel like it's gonna be a little too thick. I might need to use a little bit too much. A little tip or trick that I use is I like to add a serum or a booster drop of some sort. I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. Hydrating Booster Drops. I'm gonna just add like 2 to 3 drops per pump of this because I will show you guys how thick this bitch is. 1 pump, which is quite a bit, but as you guys can see, that's a pretty thick consistency. So adding in just a couple drops of the booster drops really thins out the consistency and it spreads out those shimmers so much nicer. And then I'm just going to mix it on the back of my hand. So as you guys can see, I've really thinned out that consistency of the product with just 2 drops of the booster drop. So I like to spread this stuff out across my arm using this stippling brush. This is the Lancome number 7 brush. And I'm just gonna go ahead and like stipple it around my body. Now if you don't want to do your entire arm and body, I recommend just applying it to your shoulders and your collarbones because those are the places that the light naturally catches and it will like highlight, it's like the high points of your body. I like to be glowing from head to toe, so I go all the way down to my wrists, but you guys don't have to do that much. You don't gotta be that extra. So I'm definitely going to include some pictures and videos of me in the sun so you can see what the skin looks like just kind of throughout the day because sitting here, it's not really going to give you guys the full effect of what it looks like. Now on days that I'm feeling extra, because right now this is still really pretty, but on some days where I'm just trying to go that extra mile, I will add in the Patrick Ta Highlighting Mist. So this was from his Major Glow collection, which was just released a couple months. So give this the shake and then just... Oh my gosh, look at her glow. Alright guys, so that concludes how I get my summer radiant glow. It's super easy, it's super fast, and I think it's super pretty. So just to recap, I first started with my Coppertone Glow sunscreen to protect the skin. Then I used the Becca Cosmetics Liquid Shimmering Skin Perfector mixed with the e.l.f. Hydrating Booster Drops or whatever serum you guys have. These are the things that are mainly going to give you that glow. And then on days where I'm feeling extra, super extra, I like to use the Patrick Ta Major Glow Highlighting Mist. Or sometimes if I'm lazy, I will just... So these are some of my favorite glow products of the season. Also can't forget the scandalous Olivia Jade and Sephora collection highlighting palette. I just want to glow, bitch. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for tuning in. It means a lot to me. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Also, if you haven't done so already, please click subscribe, turn on post notifications so you don't miss any more of my videos. And if you have any thoughts or comments, let me know in the comments section down below. And of course, just like always, until next time, bye bitch.